Nanuk 935 Pro Foto-Kit Review. How IP67 protection ended my camera travel anxiety. The Nanuk 935 Pro Foto-Kit is a professional-grade waterproof hard case designed specifically to protect your camera gear, lenses, drones, and sensitive equipment during travel and fieldwork. Think of it as a rolling fortress for everything you can't afford to lose or damage. It measures 22 by 14 by 9 inches externally, which means it fits perfectly in most airline overhead bins as approved carry-on luggage. The case is built from ultra-tough NK7 resin with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, so rain, sand, dust, and impacts simply can't reach your gear. Inside, you get customizable padded dividers that you can arrange and rearrange to fit camera bodies, lenses, accessories, and more. It rolls smoothly on polyurethane wheels with a retractable telescoping handle. Imagine never dealing with that sinking feeling when your bag gets tossed around by baggage handlers again. First, your expensive gear stays completely dry and dust-free in any weather condition, thanks to the IP67 seal and silicone gasket. Second, the crush-proof shell means impacts, drops, and rough handling during flights or shoots won't damage what's inside. Third, the customizable padded dividers let you reconfigure your kit in minutes without cutting foam or buying new inserts every time your gear changes. Fourth, the integrated wheels and retractable handle turn a heavy camera case into rolling luggage you can navigate effortlessly through airports and locations. Fifth, it meets airline carry-on size limits, so you keep your gear with you in the cabin instead of trusting it to checked baggage. Here's where it gets interesting. The case also includes TSA-ready padlock eyelets and a pressure equalization valve that prevents vacuum lock at altitude. Every feature is designed to solve a real problem you face every time you travel with valuable equipment. Which benefit matters most to you right now? Picture this. A wedding photographer arrives at a beachfront venue during an unexpected storm. Rain is coming down hard, and she has to walk from the parking lot to the reception hall with her entire kit. With her old soft bag, she'd be panicking, wrapping everything in garbage bags and hoping for the best. But with the Nanuk 935, she just rolls through the downpour without a second thought. When she opens the case inside, everything is bone dry. 2 camera bodies, 4 lenses, flash units, batteries, memory cards, all perfectly protected. She was skeptical at first, thinking the waterproof rating was marketing hype. But after that day, she became a believer. That's the turning point moment, realizing the case doesn't just promise protection, it actually delivers when conditions get rough. The relief is immediate, and the confidence it gives you is real. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Protection only matters if it works in real conditions. Don't just pick any camera hard case. Make sure it has an IP67 rated seal and customizable padded dividers so you never waste your time worrying about water damage, crushed gear, or foam that doesn't fit your kit again. The Nanuk 935 Pro Foto-Kit delivers exactly that. Professional photographers report using it through monsoons in Southeast Asia, dust storms in the desert, and sub-zero conditions in the Arctic without a single issue. One adventure photographer dropped it from the back of a truck onto rocky terrain. The case had scratches, but the gear inside was flawless. A gear reviewer subjected it to submersion tests and 4-foot drop tests with 0 failures. The Power Claw triple-action latches create even seal pressure across the gasket, far superior to basic snap latches. The Canadian-made NK7 resin withstands temperature extremes from -20 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Worried about airline hassles? It's been through 50-plus flights by users who report 0 gate check incidents. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for waterproof peace of mind, 2 for impact protection, 3 for travel sanity. This isn't just a case. It's the end of travel anxiety and the beginning of total gear confidence. Thousands of professional photographers, videographers, and drone operators already trust it daily with equipment worth tens of thousands of dollars. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your kit and your travel needs. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Your gear deserves protection that actually works when it matters. You deserve this peace of mind.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.